Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use ChatGPT to grow your Insta and YouTube account. So as you can see here, that's my Insta account, and recently today I have uploaded one reel and that received the 18k till now. Okay, 18k views in some hour, okay, in 2 and 3 hours. How can I get this? You can also make your reel viral. So how can I do this? So what I have done here, as you can see here, let me just open that reel, okay, and as you can see here, that's the description, okay, and that description totally I have generated using ChatGPT. And as you can see here, there are a lot of tags that I have generated using ChatGPT. So let me show you the way how we can generate the tags and the description. So what we need to do, suppose I have created one reel, okay, related to Vrindavan. So what I have to do, just say to the ChatGPT, write a Instagram description viral content for my Delhi to Vrindavan trip. What I can do here, I have used here train mode for travel, okay, and you just need to say, and you can just say one more thing here. As you can see here in my Insta reel, that used is the English, okay, it's a language, okay, that we can combine the English and Hindi, okay. So you can say anything, like you can say the English, or you can say in the French or Spanish or any language. So I'll just say here, and I need a content in English, and just enter, okay, and you need to wait some seconds. So as you can see here, he's generating the viral content that can make your reel viral, okay. Now it will take some seconds. Yeah, it's done. As you can see here, ChatGPT already generated some tags, but I will again tell to the ChatGPT, please generate some hashtags for same reel that can make my video viral on Instagram. Or you can just say, or to achieve 10 million views, and enter, and he will generate some hashtag for you. So as you can see, he is generating some hashtags, and that's generated. So I have done the copy paste thing in Instagram, and that copy paste thing can make your video viral, okay. So that's the amazing way to make your YouTube or Instagram reel viral with the help of ChatGPT. So if you have any doubt, you can ask him on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.